Day 12. Here's a view of the mountains in Stowe, where I'm leaving from day 12. Mark taught class today. It's my first class with Mark. Excellent dialogue. Very Bikram-esque. Class was good. Every class is good, even though some aren't good. And if you take Bikram, you'll know that that makes a lot of sense. Standing postures, let's see. Gararasana Eagle was okay. Felt pretty strong in standing head to knee. Tula Dandasana balancing stick pose, very strong today. Dandiyamana Vibhaktapada Paschimottanasana, standing separate leg stretching pose. I just about got my head to touch the floor. Actually, it was on a folded towel underneath me. So I just barely touched my forehead to that, which means I'm maybe an inch or two from the floor, which is excellent progress. Trikasana was a little troublesome today. I got the first side and then kind of got dizzy. Didn't do the second side. Got up to try and do the second set. Was extremely dizzy there. So sat out of the posture. And when I stood up to do Dandiyamana Vibhaktapada Sharasana, standing separate leg head to knee, I was a little dizzy. I persevered in that posture and worked through it. Tadasana tree pose was good, strong today, didn't fall out. Had a good Dandiyamana Dhanurasana standing bow pulling pose earlier. In Padangusthasana toe stand, left side I was able to bend over. Not bending my knees yet, a couple more days or whenever that's coming. Actually, there was a really nice part of the dialogue today where Mark said, as we were in Savasana, it's not important what your neighbor does. It's not important what your neighbor did. It's not important how your neighbor does their postures. It's not important how your posture was yesterday. It's not important to think about how your posture might be tomorrow. It's only important that you're here on the mat right now. I really like that philosophy. My mind was wandering a little bit today. I still was able to hear a lot of his strong dialogue. Very good energy from Mark today. Floor postures, Bhujangasana Cobra was a little weak. Didn't feel like I had a lot of energy. Salabhasana, Locust. My left wrist really hurt a lot. Took it out from underneath. Second set, I got my hands underneath and did a little bit of that posture on both sides. And got both feet done a little bit. In Dhanurasana, that was strong. Supta Vajrasana, fixed firm pose. Getting my knees together a little bit, feeling the thighs as the dialogue was spoken. Ardha Kramasana, half tortoise. Got a little ways to go, getting the belly down so that I can get that posture and get my butt on my thighs. Excuse me, my butt on my feet. It'd be interesting to get my butt on my thighs. That would be an interesting posture. Ustrasana Camel was good, strong today. Sasagasana, still working on the grip. And that was Rabbit. Janu Sharasana, head to knee. Right side, probably about 8 to 10 inches from my knee. Left side, probably about 3 inches with my hands underneath my feet, pulling. Paschimottanasana stretching pose was good. Ardha Matsyendrasana, spinal twist. Got a ways to go in that. Belly again there in the way of getting the posture. And Kapalbhati breathing was good. And that was today. I feel really good, really strong today. I believe tomorrow I'm going to start on my 90-day Visalis challenge. I got a couple of shake packages today in the mail, expecting my full package to come. Really excited about doing a 90-day challenge and knocking some of this weight off and seeing how the overall product works. Namaste.